What's a Single Premium Immediate Annuity, or SPIA? The name may seem long and complicated, but the concept is somewhat simple. In short, a SPIA has just 2 steps. Step 1. You make a one-time upfront payment. Step 2. You get regular retirement payouts, which can begin immediately. Best of all, those payouts can last a lifetime. If you live to 100, it pays to 100. If you live longer, it pays longer. So you never stop receiving income, no matter what happens with rates or markets. Plus, it's customizable with dozens of different payout possibilities. And SPIAs typically have no added fees due to their simplicity. Now, since a SPIA is designed for a long retirement, it's key to consider one from a company with a long history of high ratings and a strong Comdex score, which is an average of a company's ratings. And we go to great lengths to maintain these standards. For a final fact, retirement income payouts have a long history. They date back to Roman times when soldiers received lifetime payouts for their service. Of course, these days you don't have to march into battle for lifetime income. You can get it from an annuity provider. See if a SPIA suits your retirement needs. Contact us to learn more.